Welcome back to Bluely Creative. I'm just doing a really basic tutorial of Shopify. Not so much a tutorial, but actually kind of a tour. Just showing you around, showing you the features of how to use everything. In this episode, we're just going to touch on the products. To manage all of your products and collections, go into this section here called products. I've added 3 products for my coffee company, and I'll just go in there really quick to show you how it's kind of laid out. So once you go in here, there's a lot of different sections, and within each, I've done 3 variants here. Within each, there's a lot more details. Essentially, with the product, you can fill out as much or as little as you'd like. I recommend at least doing the title, description, images, and obviously your price and any kind of sizes that you need. But also you can find important things here such as shipping units, barcodes. Also, depending on your shipping solution, you might need to put weight in there as well. And also, what else is important is here on the side, you need to enter in your product type because that will determine which collection that goes into within your Shopify store, and we'll get to that next. If you're looking to bulk upload your products, there is a way to do this through an Excel CSV file. I would just go back to products and then import here. And you can also download the sample CSV template that will show you how you need to format this Excel document to upload. But it does get a little bit tricky that seeing that CSV template isn't going to answer all your questions. So I'll make sure the how to do that is linked. And then next, I'm just going to show you in our collections. So what's mainly important here in the collections is the conditions. So if you remember back to when I just put the product in, I entered in the product type and I put coffee in. So to make sure my products to make a collection for coffee, I would just need to make sure product type is equal to coffee. And you can also add another condition where maybe I might put the product type is also equal to grinds, or product type is also equal to beans. And you can switch between any condition, or if any of these can go into that collection, or you can click all conditions if the product in there meets all 3 of those things, which it can't really be grinds and beans at the same time, so that wouldn't work. So I would click any condition. And then when you click save, doing it the first time, all the products in that collection will pop up here so you can check and make sure you've done it right. And the next thing I just want to touch on before ending this video is your orders section. Now, nothing's popping up here because I'm on it like a free trial, but essentially, your orders are pretty self-explanatory. When you get an order come through, it'll pop up here. You'll get an email notifying you that an order has been placed. And within your order, you'll be able to see number order 101. You click through, it'll have your customer details, it'll have the shipping details, and it'll have the order summary. And you will fulfill this item how depending on your shipping method. Also within this order form, you can print your shipping label, which is important if you've decided to ship with one of the third-party providers that I mentioned in the last video. Also in this section, you can refund your orders, cancel the orders, contact your customers. It's all very self-explanatory in here. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. In the next section, we're going to talk about actually designing the website.